मैं रोज सुबह जल्दी उठता हूँ। I get up early every morning. I get up early every morning. वह स्कूल जाती है। She goes to school. She goes to school. वे क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं। They are playing cricket. They are playing cricket. मैं एक पत्र लिख रहा हूँ। I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. क्या तुम मुझे जानते हो? Do you know me? Do you know me? वह कहाँ रहता है? Where does he live? Where does he live? मैं कल बाजार गया था। I went to the market yesterday. I went to the market yesterday. उसने मुझे फोन किया। He called me. He called me. क्या तुमने खाना खाया? Did you eat food? Did you eat food? वे कल यहाँ आए थे। They came here yesterday. They came here yesterday. मैं 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहा हूँ। I have been studying for 2 hours. I have been studying for 2 hours. वह अपना काम पूरा कर चुकी है। She has finished her work. She has finished her work. क्या तुमने ये फिल्म देखी है? Have you seen this movie? Have you seen this movie? मैं पहले ही वहां जा चुका हूँ। I have already been there. I have already been there. वे अभी तक नहीं आए हैं। They have not come yet. They have not come yet. मैं कल दिल्ली जाऊंगा। I will go to Delhi tomorrow. I will go to Delhi tomorrow. वह तुम्हारी मदद करेगा। He will help you. He will help you. क्या तुम कल आओगे? Will you come tomorrow? Will you come tomorrow? हम अगले महीने घर बदलेंगे। We will shift our house next month. We will shift our house next month. बारिश होगी। It will rain. It will rain. मुझे आज काम करना है। I have to work today. I have to work today. उसे जल्दी जाना पड़ा। He had to leave early. He had to leave early. क्या तुम्हें इंतजार करना होगा? Will you have to wait? Will you have to wait? मुझे ये काम नहीं करना है। I do not have to do this work. I do not have to do this work. हमें नियमों का पालन करना होगा। We will have to follow the rules. We will have to follow the rules. मुझे पानी पीने की जरूरत है। I need to drink water. I need to drink water. तुम्हें अधिक अभ्यास करने की जरूरत है। You need to practice more. You need to practice more. क्या मुझे जाना चाहिए? Should I go? Should I go? तुम्हें समय पर पहुंचना चाहिए। You should arrive on time. You should arrive on time. हमें सावधान रहना चाहिए। We should be careful. We should be careful. मैं आपकी मदद कर सकता हूँ। I can help you. I can help you. क्या वह तैर सकता है? Can he swim? Can he swim? तुम यहाँ नहीं बैठ सकते। You cannot sit here. You cannot sit here. हमें सच बोलना चाहिए। We should tell the truth. We should tell the truth. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहता हूँ। I want to become a doctor. I want to become a doctor. मैं चाय पीना पसंद करता हूँ। I like to drink tea. I like to drink tea. वह अंग्रेजी सीखना चाहता है। He wants to learn English. He wants to learn English. मैं विदेश जाना चाहूँगा। I would like to go abroad. I would like to go abroad. क्या आप कुछ खाना चाहेंगे? Would you like to eat something? Would you like to eat something? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? वह क्यों रो रही है? Why is she crying? Why is she crying? तुम्हारा सबसे अच्छा दोस्त कौन है? Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? यदि बारिश होगी तो हम घर पर रहेंगे. If it rains, we will stay at home. If it rains, we will stay at home. अगर मेरे पास समय होता तो मैं आता. If I had time, I would come. If I had time, I would come. वह इतना थका हुआ था कि सो गया. He was so tired that he fell asleep. He was so tired that he fell asleep. जितना अधिक पढ़ोगे उतना अधिक सीखोगे. The more you study, the more you learn. The more you study, the more you learn. मुझे नहीं पता कि वह कहाँ है. I do not know where he is. I do not know where he is. कृपया मेरी बात सुनो. Please listen to me. Please listen to me. शोर मत करो. Do not make noise. Do not make noise. अपना काम पूरा करो. Complete your work. Complete your work. मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने का अभ्यास कर रहा हूँ. I am practicing speaking English. I am practicing speaking English. वह कल से बीमार है. He has been sick since yesterday. He has been sick since yesterday. क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे? Will you help me? Will you help me? हमें सकारात्मक सोचना चाहिए. We should think positively. We should think positively. मैं धारा प्रवाह अंग्रेजी बोलना चाहता हूँ. I want to speak English fluently. I want to speak English fluently.